What if I told you that this head of lettuce right here is probably cleaner, fresher, and more nutritious than what you're getting from the grocery store? And it never rode on a truck across the country. It's your boy, Director Chill, Hills Homestead, Zone 8A, and welcome back to another episode of the Endo Hydro Grow Show. Let's get it. With another lettuce contamination making headlines, more people are asking the question, should I just grow my own? My answer? Absolutely. Now, before we go any further, I'm not here to scare anybody. Food recalls happen, and our farmers work incredibly hard. But the reality is, the larger the supply chain becomes, the more chances there are for contamination. One farm can ship lettuce to dozens of states. If something goes wrong, millions of bags can be affected. That's one reason why we started growing our own food right here at Hills Homestead. Now, my go-to source is indoor hydroponics. Why hydroponics? Hydroponic lettuce doesn't grow in dirt. It grows in oxygen-rich water loaded with exactly what the plant needs. That means no weeds, very few pests, no muddy leaves, and harvesting takes seconds. The nutrients. The secret isn't magic, it's nutrients. Lettuce needs nitrogen for leafy growth, phosphorus for strong roots, potassium for overall plant health, along with calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, and trace minerals, but mainly nitrogen. So instead of hoping the soil has everything, we know exactly what our plants are getting. pH. This is probably the biggest mistakes beginners make. If your pH is wrong, your lettuce can't absorb the nutrients, even if they're sitting right there in the water. For lettuce, I like keeping my pH between 5.8 and 6.2. That's the sweet spot. It only takes a few seconds to check, but it makes all the difference. So how long does it take to grow lettuce? This surprises a lot of people. Most leaf lettuce is ready in only about 30 to 40 days. Some varieties can be harvested even sooner if you're picking baby leaves. So in about a month, you've got salads, sandwich toppings, tacos, burgers, fresh food growing while you're sitting on the couch watching me on YouTube. The way I like it. Now, for nutrition, the fresher a vegetable is, the more nutrients it generally retains. Commercial lettuce may spend days or even longer being harvested, cooled, transported, stocked, and finally brought home. When I harvest lettuce, it's usually on our dinner table within minutes. You just can't beat that freshness. Now, for costs, a pack of lettuce seeds costs just a few dollars at most. One pack can grow dozens, sometimes hundreds of heads, depending on the variety. After your hydro system is set up, growing lettuce becomes incredibly inexpensive. And when grocery prices go up, your garden doesn't care. You got plenty to spare. So why this matters to us? This isn't just about lettuce. We've seen it with tomatoes. We've seen it with all types of fruits. It happens all the time. But it's about food security. It's about knowing exactly where your food was grown. It's about feeding your family and teaching the next generation where food really comes from. That's what Hills Homestead is all about. So if you've been thinking about getting into hydroponics, there has never been a better time. And if you don't, you can still use soil. Nothing's gonna be grown at home either way. You don't need acres. You don't even need a greenhouse for hydroponics. Just a small light, a container of water, a few nutrients. And in about a month, you'll be eating lettuce that probably tastes better than anything you have ever bought. If you enjoyed this episode of the Hydro Grow Show, hit that like button and subscribe to Hills Homestead Zone 8A. Hey, it is free. And let me know down in the comments, would you trust your own lettuce more than the grocery stores? It's your boy, Director Chill, Hills Homestead Zone 8A. Grow that thing. Peace.